Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add in-skin to your YouTube video. First go to your YouTube studio and select your video, click details, and click on the pen icon from here. Now here you can select in-skin template from this. For now I am gonna choose this. Now select this and here you can choose most recent upload. You can select this and you can select for also best for viewer. This will automatically included for viewer. And if you want to choose a custom video or you want to add specific video, then you can choose this and you can select any of your video from here. And now you can drag it and you can make bigger. I would suggest make it bigger, and you can change this position also. Here you can choose the time frame. You can decrease the time frame and after that just click save button. Okay, so here you go. This is how you can add in-skin to your YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. See you in the next video.